Morning everyone, we're at the Erie Canal State Park down by Butternut Creek, and that's 481 behind us that you probably hear. And this is, just to mention another road, Kinney Street up there, where they're actually finishing construction on a pedestrian bridge for the canal. So let's go check that out right now. It's pretty exciting, almost done. New grass going in right there. Here's part of the trail. Actually, they're still doing some patchwork. You can see the new barricade here, which is really nice. It's kind of a busy corner. This gets really packed during rush hour every day. I mean, not right now. Today's actually Saturday, so it's not that busy. Oh yeah, happy 4th of July. But this is something that they widened, and they built that bridge over there. So let's go take a few more looks at this area. So there's the trail, and probably the old safe way to go to get this way, because this road is pretty bad, was to go take the trail almost to Butternut Creek and then come up this bridge, which is has a little place you could probably walk your bike or ride if you're trusting enough. I know I wouldn't be riding, but then cross the regular bridge that way. It's obviously not done yet, but this part that we're walking on doesn't have anything blocking it, so we're not going to pass these. I'm sure there's final inspections and stuff to be done, but stop sign. Yeah, that's the new bridge, and that's gonna be really beautiful. And we checked out the other side of this a few weeks ago, but they were not done with the bridge at that point. You can kind of see the improvement here. It's going to be a lot better. It's like the real deal. They've actually got the crosswalk markers here. And that's off towards Shopping Town Mall, or what's left of it. It's really good. So the trail actually goes down this way. Oops, I'm on the wrong side.
Wait, why are you going down?
Again, not really for pedestrians, but it can be really nice when bikes can go down here and go all the way down to Erie Boulevard. That's going to be pretty amazing. It's like all the people who want to go take their bike to Trader Joe's from Fayetteville.
Yeah. Well, and park your car and just keep going.
Yeah.
Actually have walkability in this city.
day trip downtown. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, it would, because the parking downtown is terrible.
Yeah. So let's go further down and check out what's happening a little further down by Erie Boulevard and see how far along they've come on that down by Wide Waters and Best Buy. Here's Towpath Road, and that goes further down towards Erie Boulevard, and we'll go check that out just now. So here we are by Wide Waters, and that's Best Buy out there right in the distance, and PetSmart and Golf Galaxy, that little plaza. You can see that all the work they've done over here. This railing. This is still a road, I think. Gosh, I hope it is, because we just drove down it. But yeah, this is looking pretty nice. Be able to ride your bike down here, and the corner that connects to is Wendy's down there, but you can see or the old canal right here. And it's part of the trail, so of course there's some geese. So as you're riding your bike through, make sure you're not going that fast if it's early in the morning. It's pretty exciting. I should say, if you're a business owner, this is probably a good place to look into right over here, especially if it's like a nice place that can just, people can park their bikes, especially. Place to have a little parking spot for their car, have a cup of coffee, and hop in on their bike and ride down the trail a little bit and come back. Got a lot of nice business opportunities through here, just because it's like not developed anymore. There's a big spot over there. Friendly's is empty. Pier 1 is just closing. Everything's 40% off right now. Pretty good place to open something. Just throwing that out there. That's pretty exciting.
Yeah. It's awesome, because Syracuse is such a fun city, but we didn't have anything like this. I mean, there's no way that you could actually walk for long distances. You kind of need a car, but perhaps now you won't need a car.
Right?
We have to find out when it opens.
Yeah, when this bridge opens, we'll be the first ones, and then also there's still a lot of construction going on Erie Boulevard. Not going to go down there. I thought this was a lot cooler just to show and kind of more accessible.
Well, the bridge is really neat.
Yeah, the bridge is cool, and as soon as all this stuff is open, especially the bridge, we'll be down here again with our folding bikes just to ride across it. So
yeah, checking it out.
Subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like this update, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.